my channel. So in today's brand new video, it's going to be all about Althea Korea brand new makeup line, all their products. I'll be showing you swatches, makeup tutorial, as well as all my honest opinion review on it. So if you want to know how I achieved this look right here and also all their brand new makeup products, then just keep watching. But as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page at DaintyDashBeauty. Like this video if you enjoy and comment down below what future video would you like to see, and just keep watching. And to start off the video, we're jumping into the first makeup product by Althea Korea, which is their Flawless Creamy Concealer right here. Altogether they have 4 shades, and I'm just going to say that I really love this concealer because as it says, it's a creamy type of consistency. It really blends very nicely under the eye especially, and I usually put it all over my face, as you can see at the clip right here. I like to use it as a foundation, as an overall, like just to even out my skin tone and also brighten my under eye. And you can see it is a medium coverage, it's not too full, and usually if I want a fuller coverage, I will use a small precise brush to just under my eye, or even like to cancel out the darkness around my chin area or any acne scarring. And if you want a more like overall look, you can use a sponge, but you need to apply more because using a sponge might reduce the coverage of this concealer because it is so creamy. So if you want a more fuller coverage, go with a brush, and if you want like a lighter natural look, you can go with a sponge. But I personally, for everyday, I really love using a brush, which is very weird for me because I really love using sponges to apply, but this concealer really goes well with a brush. And another thing is the packaging itself is very small and cute. You can just throw it in your bag. That's what I really love about Althea Korea products, because I am seeing like my table right here, their products are very petite, very small, so you can easily take this to travel anywhere you go. And I really love this concealer overall, and definitely is one of my favorite makeup product in their whole makeup line. But one thing that I need to say that is only 4 shades. It is seriously not enough. You can see the comparison and swatches right here. The darker shade is actually very brightening on my under eye, even though I really love the look and effect that it gives. But the thing is, for my darker skin sisters, I really need the shades to come through. So please, Althea Korea, like extend your shades. I really need a deeper shade so that I can contour with it, and there's so many possibilities. So I would really like to see shade extension on this concealer right here because seriously it's so bomb. And the next makeup product is actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today, Super Valentine's Low, but it's actually an eyeshadow palette in collaboration with BCL, Bunga Citra Lestari. She's the Indonesian actress and singer. So this is the box packaging right here. I love the box packaging so much because like you can see this one right here, it's a little bit embossed, and you can see it's very shiny a bit, and also the print right here, the floral print. But this is the actual palette right here. It comes in a very big size mirror right here, which is very good for traveling. And this is the colors right here. As you can see, I will include swatches and all that good stuff, and also tutorial on my eyes. So this palette right here, first of all, I would like to say that when I received this in the mail itself, I noticed that one of my eyeshadows popped out, and I feel that the glue inside here is not really as strong. So I hope Althea Korea take note of that to make sure the glue itself is stronger, because some of the eyeshadow really doesn't seem like too secure enough. So other than the glue issue right here, I really love the color selection of this because I feel that it's a very natural at the same time being glam. So when you are a very natural type of girl but you really want the night out, a special occasion, these colors are very suitable for you. Because not only, okay, so let's go to the finishes of this eyeshadow. You have a matte color right here. It's a very like basic light brown tone matte color, and all the other colors right here are like satin shimmer colors, and you have 2 colors right here, which is a very pretty golden color and also like a rose gold color right here, which like have a glittery finish, which looks amazing on the eyes. It really makes your eyes super pretty and sparkly. This kind of palette is just on the go. If I forget to bring my brushes, I still can work with it. So this kind of palette, I can just use my fingers and then just apply it on my eyes, and maybe just bring a blending brush along to just blend it to be very seamlessly. But other than that, it's actually still very pretty pigmented palette, and I really do love this palette a lot. And other than that, I feel that the color selection it gives right here, it's really suitable for a lot of eye makeup look. But today I did a very nice, like a soft pinky kind of look for in conjunction with Valentine's Day. But seriously, there are so many color combination possible from this eyeshadow palette right here. That day I did a look with all over the lid is brown color and a little bit of this gold pop in at the center of the lid, and it looks super pretty, and it was so easy to just achieve the look right here. And for me, you can easily use this brown color right here, even though it's like a satin shimmer shade, but you can easily get it off like for a crease color, even though I usually say crease color must be like a matte color, but this one, it is not too shimmery, so you can definitely get off with this right here. And then this red color, the purple right here, and the glittery shade can totally be your lid shade, and it's just super easy color combination, and the looks are seriously endless, and I think it's a really nice palette. So good job to Bunga Citra Lestari and also Althea Korea. And moving on, another eye product from Althea Korea is this right here, the Spotlight Eye Glitter. So this right here, when I first saw it came out, I was so excited, because if you've been watching my channel already, I really love this kind of glittery products that can be a glitter liner on the eyes, or just even like all over the lid kind of pop of glitter. And one thing about this right here, it is super easy to apply, no glitter fallout will happen, and I really love these products right here. But to be honest, I'm loving this one more right here, which is so unexpected to me, because generally I would reach out for this pinky shade right here, which is called Pink Light, but I really love this color right here. It's called Gold Light, because this right here, you just can see, oh, it's just super like plain white over glitter, but no, inside it is tons and tons of gold glitter. And seriously, this one right here in between these two, I really love this so much. This one right here is a little bit more subtle for my liking, but this one right here, oh my god, it is so good, and I'm obsessed with this right now. And last but not least, the makeup product from Althea Korea, which is what I'm having on my lips here, is the Althea Korea Watercolor Cream Tint right here. First of all, it really has a very sweet scent that I really like it. It's not like those vanilla cupcake type of scent. It's a more like a fruity kind of scent, if I'm not mistaken. You guys know I'm super sensitive of scent, but this scent right here is very appealing to me, so I really like that about it. And also how cute and sleek and so like nice is this packaging right here. I really love the packaging and also the applicator of this. Other than that, jumping into the formula itself, because it's a tint, in my brain I feel that it's going to be super sheer and it's going to be like a wash of color on the lips, but you can totally build this up to a super like liquid lipstick type of formula, because it is so pigmented. So if you want those kind of wash of color tint, you can just put 2 dots on the lips and use your finger to just blend everything out, and you can achieve that kind of look. But if you want a full on like bold red lip, or like a muted like a red color, you can totally achieve with this right here. So I really love that about this, like how versatile it can go, and little bit really goes a long way, because it is like super creamy and the feeling of it is very nice on the lips. It doesn't make your lips super dry, because some type of tint can tend to make your lips dry, but this one just feels nice, and the finish of it, when you first apply, it feels a bit glossy, but after that the glossiness will really wear down. So if you want a matte type of look, you can just use tissue to blot it, or you can just leave it for a more glossier type of look. And one thing about this, because it's a tint, can you see there's barely any like transfer proof, and it really lasts so long throughout the day because it's a tint again, but it's a very comfortable tint that doesn't dry out your lips. So overall, I really love the formula of this right here. The shades that I've been wearing most often, it's peach cream and macaron cream, because the colors are definitely more muted, but if you put a full-on lip, it really feels like a very full-on like liquid lipstick look. So the red colors usually I wear for like special occasion and stuff like that. So this Valentine's look, I really love this red color right here. So overall, highly recommend this lippy right here. Little bit really goes a long way. So yeah, highly recommend. And besides makeup, Althea Korea just released a new product right here. It's a skincare product. This is called the Skin Relief Spot Film Gel. It has tea tree leaf extract, and it's actually a gel to film texture. So this one right here, when I first tried it, it is so weird. I never ever see a product like this at all. Maybe I'm not like too into this kind of product that I didn't see it at all, and I don't know this kind of product even exists. But this one right here, oddly enough, it reminds me of, you know, when you're small time, like childhood, you play those kind of glue, you put it all over your hand and then it will dry out into a very like smooth texture and you can peel it out. This one reminds me so much of that. So this one right here, you put it a little bit on your face, and where you have like acne scars or acne spot, you want to like treat it, because it has tree leaf inside it, so it can treat it as well. So you can just put a little bit and you can just dab it. But one thing that you need to note about this right here, you need to let it dry completely, because it has a very sticky texture. So it's very weird because it's so sticky, but it dries down totally, completely matte and so smooth, and it's like a glue, like literally like a glue. So to use this product right here, apply very little amount of this, let it dry, and your makeup will go over it very smoothly. It almost acts like a barrier on your acne and also your foundation. You know, sometimes when you wear like makeup and your acne is the spot right there is like very rough, this one right here can actually smooth out the skin and act as a barrier. So something like a primer, but very emphasized on your acne area. So yeah, this product right here is very interesting to me. For me, I really need to try it out a little bit longer and see how it really works on my skin and how it reduces my acne scars and acne spots and stuff like that. But other than that, super innovative product, I feel, to me, and so far it's good to me. And last but not least, since we're already in the topic of Althea Korea, I just want to give a quick shout out to this right here. This product released quite some time ago, but I'm just featuring on my channel here. So this is the Stay Fresh Body Sparkling Mist right here, in collaboration with Titi Kamal. Is also an famous Indonesian actress and singer, and this mist right here is more on the floral type of mist. I've been using it for quite like a lot, surprisingly, because I don't really like floral scents, rose scent, any type of floral scent I don't really like. But this one right here, surprisingly, really surprisingly to me, I am quite liking it. It's not too strong of a floral, and it doesn't like make you choke or feel suffocated or something weird that is happening on my brain. But this one right here is just a little bit very calming, just very soothing, something that I will feel like if you step into the garden, it's not too overwhelming. This kind of mist that I would expect, and so far not bad. I really like this mist right here, even though I was hoping for a mist to come out something fruity, something sweet, which is what I typically go for, but this one, it's so far so good for me. So that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, as well as the extra clip that I leave on the video, especially the swatches and all, and also my review on all the Althea Korea makeup products, as well as some extra products here and there. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and stay tuned for my upcoming video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!